Oh wait, the video. Oh, right, I forgot about that. Well, it looks like we just been banished to the floor. Hey all, Snoopie here, and today we're going to be installing ReactOS on the IBM ThinkPad R51. Again, the right way, hopefully. But first, we need some kind of important things. First, of course, being install media. Man, I hate this disk utility. Give it back! No! And secondly, we need this. And secondly, with the help of this, and this, we will get an SD card which we can install onto. Hopefully. So let's get installed the ThinkPad, shall we? Now this part is actually pretty easy. All we need to do is remove the battery, like that, and then remove the hard drive caddy, which on my ThinkPad in particular is actually very easy, because I lost 1/5 of the screws. I actually need to take it out, so it just kind of slides out. So that's handy. Oh, poop. Yeah, I gotta make sure these screws don't get lost in this carpet. I'll never find it again. So one of the really backwards things about actually installing hard drives in this thing is the fact that you need it slightly open in order to even put it in. Because you can't take the caddy out and you can't put it in while the thing is closed. This doesn't make any sense. And now we can install the operating system, which is of course ReactOS version that. I can just turn this on. I think the CMOS battery is like totally dead in this thing, so it's going to be fun. Probably gonna want me to set the date again. Also, I did just want to say that as of right now, this is the most latest version of ReactOS. Like, as filming, people who watch this channel normally will know that the time between the videos actually getting recorded and the time they actually come out is like months. So this might not actually be the latest version anymore. So before you make an angry comment, just take that into account. Now, what do we want the date to be? Let's go with, I don't know, December 25th, 2077? There we go, that's good. Christmas 2077. Nice. And now is a good time to put the CD-ROM in the drive. Put it in there, and close, and restart. Now, given this should be the only bootable medium in the computer, we should start up right to it. Hopefully. Oh my goodness, we're actually booting! Look at that! You see how it all changes whenever you... Did I crash it? Oh no, it is loading more languages. Look at that! It updates live! Because, I mean, it would have to. In order for people who speak these languages to actually read it. What's the difference between English UK and English United States? Yeah, let's go with English UK just to see what happens. Do you have any idea how long I've been waiting for this? Yep, that's good. Oh my, look, it's actually reading the SD card right. Nice. So now we can just delete this. L. And delete it. Oh no, we can't delete that. And now we can just press enter and install there. Did I select full? Did I actually select a full format? Oh dear. Well, that took way longer than it probably should have. I mean, at least now it's easier to record the screen. Perfect. Let's go ahead and install into there. And yay, more waiting. Oh my goodness, it actually works. Look at that! Oh, that's quick, too. Dang! Welcome to the ReactOS Setup Wizard. Oh wow, the track point works. Next. Next. ReactOS server? I don't get why that's the default, though. Here we go with workstation, and next. That's perfect. Administrator password. Who needs a password? Oh my goodness, look at it scrolling. Wow! ReactOS cannot find a WindowsGecko package, which is needed for applications emitting HTML to work correctly. ReactOS can... Okay, sure. Oh. Maybe we can figure that out later, I hope. If there's a CD in the drive, remove it. Okay. Hey, I got it. Nice. Really? You're just gonna put me into a desktop like that? Wow. It's like, what? A sub 10-minute install? That was so fast. ThinkPad R51, genuine Intel Pentium M. 1.49 gigahertz and a gig and a half of RAM. No, a gig and a quarter of RAM. And device manager. What are we missing here? VGA compatible graphic. What, really? Am I just reading this wrong and there's actually a lot of missing stuff? I don't know why that's there. This thing doesn't have a floppy diskette drive. I wish it did, but it doesn't. Huh. Well, I guess it's time we got some drivers. Like a sound driver. That would be nice. Yeah, no sound drivers. Let's install some drivers, shall we? You know how I selected the UK version of English in the settings? I think that might have also set my keyboard layout. Now, what makes me say that? Well, if I press Control Alt and Delete, you might notice it doesn't do anything. So, I'm gonna go see what I could do about this. I guess that's one of the good things about having a sub 10-minute install. I swear I'm gonna absolutely kill this SD card. Now, as some of you might remember, last time we did this, I tried to plug in a USB thumb drive. Not too much unlike this one, where the whole operating system crashed as soon as I plugged it in. At least that's how I remember it being. So let's see, have they managed to add USB thumb drive support? I don't actually know, so we're just gonna put this in and find out. It's not crashed yet. Wait, really? Oh, wow! Nice! Look at that! So now we can just install the drivers this way. Nice. So, okay, let's start off with the most important, that of course being the graphics driver. So, if we go over here to local disk C, drivers, win, display, setup.exe. If that doesn't work, we just use the, ooh. Alright, that's not a good sign. Oh, this one. Alright, well, okay, let's see if this actually works then. Custom, it's just, oh, okay, yeah. Did it do anything? I mean, that didn't feel right. Let's just use control panel. That really didn't feel right. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff that doesn't work. That wasn't there last time. Goodness. See if maybe that will work. Oh my goodness, there we go. That worked. Nice. Now we can click finish and we can reboot. And we should have working graphics. Let's take this disk out of the drive. Does not help you anything. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Graphics driver failed to initialize. Well, I'm going to try removing the thumb drive. And try again. Oh yeah, that's not good. I'm going to do some stuff in safe mode and see if it'll fix it. Bruh, even in safe mode? Yeah, I'm just going to have to reinstall. This is a mess. I swear this video is never coming out, is it? Can I just press OK? Well, okay, maybe a reboot will fix it. Yeah, that didn't even fix it. Watch as I just killed the SD card. Oh no. What if I cancel? Can I use Explorer? No? Goodness. Oh, okay. I'm gonna download the latest nightly and maybe give that a shot. This drive, I hate this drive, I hate this drive, I hate this drive. Okay, so this time we're going to be installing ReactOS version this one. Should work better, hopefully. Let's get it on the drive already. Is there like a ReactOS installation speedrunning category? Because I think we might need to try out for that. This really is not a good sign.
2,000 years later.
Hey, look, it works! So essentially what I did is I just went ahead and started reinstalling ReactOS a bunch of times. And eventually it worked. Because I kind of figured that it worked before, it should probably be working now, and I'm guessing it's just like something got corrupted while it was installing, which kind of makes sense. So right now we're running the old nightly, the one that we started with, but it does indeed work. What I also did is I imaged this install. Like now that I could see that it could work, like passably. I went ahead and I used Win32 Disk Imager, the closest thing to DD on Windows, to then image the entire SD card, so if it breaks, we can just image it again, and hopefully this should be the last time we have to do this. So before it goes ahead and breaks again, why don't we try and get some graphics drivers installed? So instead of running the driver installer, I'm going to actually just use the inf file and install it through Device Manager, so it hopefully works this time without causing problems. Moment of truth, moment of truth. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna blue screen? Are we gonna have fully functioning graphics? Oh no. Okay, so I don't think that's a problem with the SD card. Right, so this stinks because we kind of need graphics drivers. Let's try latest release and maybe that will help. I tried the nightlies, okay? It doesn't work. Hurry up! Hey smokers, Drago1 here. Oh, wait. Well anyways, because of our previous issues, I decided maybe we should move back a little bit. So before we were using the latest ReactOS 0.4.15 nightly, which appears to have had issues with the graphics driver, so I rolled this back a bit from the bleeding edge back to just the cutting edge. And this is of course ReactOS 0.4.14, release candidate 117, which might work, or at least give different results, because so far we've been getting nowhere. Now here's another thing, I'm not sure if this version of ReactOS will actually support USB thumb drives, so this will be fun. So that does work. And whoa, that's a different icon. Huh, nice. Wouldn't it be funny if I just... No, I'm not supposed to run it off of there, am I? This could be a problem. Okay, we're just gonna move this onto the desktop. No, the whole operating system's frozen. Oh dear. Oh dear. We appear to have not gotten as far as we did last time. Alright, I didn't know it could be worse. That's definitely, that's impressive. That's impressive, I'll say that. Look away. I don't want you to see what I'm about to do. You really don't want to see what I'm about to do. Yeah. Look away. Keep looking away. Not doing anything. Boop. So now, on the SD card, we have the drivers just manually transferred to it completely. Get back on there. Interesting. This is exactly what I did off of the thumb drive. Huh. That's odd. Is there like a task manager that I could... Nope, the whole computer's frozen. Watch as I just killed this SD card. Which, so far we've been thinking about the SD card being the problem the whole time. I'm going to just extract the whole thing. So, I'll be right back.
Guys, it's working.
Hey look, it's even got all the crap in there too. I'm surprised it actually worked. Let's see if this works. Are you serious? So none of it's working. I guess that's... Okay, try this again. Yeah, that worked. Of all the things not to work, you'd think that would be one of the ones that did. So if I have to put this stupid card in a stupid adapter one more time. Look at that! Nice. Okay. So what makes this different is this will finally be our chance to use this version of the operating system and install it using Control Panel. So, here we go. If this doesn't work, I honestly have no idea what we're gonna do. It's already taking much longer. Oh no. Are you serious? Okay, I'm gonna give it a little bit, but this doesn't look good. Right. Oh no. Oh man, when I said this video was gonna come out mid-December, I meant that as a joke. Oh, wait, what if I press Control Delete? I can launch. You notice how that worked? I just pressed Control Delete and it actually worked. I think the login screen might just be freezing. That would make a lot of sense actually. But now Explorer crashed. I open Task Manager. This is not a good sign. Yeah. Okay, so now at this point, I believe we're all fairly aware of what the problem is. That, of course, being that our little 16GB SD card has finally given up. Now, how do we know this? Well, not only does it keep failing a different way each and every time, but only recently did Install Shield stop working, and also, at this point, it won't even install anymore. So, what we're going to have to do is figure out a different storage solution, which, naturally, you might think, okay, we'll just get another SD card, that's not hard. And, well, I don't have any more in this size, but luckily, I have something on hand. So upon learning I can actually take Win32 disk images, I can actually use this, which was for a very long time actually the SD card used in the main camera. But actually I don't need this anymore because the camera's different. So we can use this. So I just took a disk image and now I can flash it again when we're done with it. But okay, there's still a problem. Because not only is that too big, it won't fit in here, see? Like, it's too big. I don't have another one of these for this size, so we're gonna have to do something completely different, because we can't use either of these. And that's where we get to this. Now, this is a full-size SD card to PATA adapter. It does it all in one step. Now, I would have used this earlier, but there's a bit of a problem. You might notice it's a little bit recessed. Like, as we can see, not only is it recessed, but there's metal here too. So there's metal there, and then there's also not even a pin to tell us which way it goes in. But if I'm careful, and I use these tweezers, I should be able to get this in there just alright. So let's do that. So I just gotta put this SD card in here. I already imaged it, so it's ready to go in. Now we just need to get it in the computer, which I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't know how I could possibly do that with the camera running. Actually, just to be safe, let's do something else as well. Well, that should do it. I have no idea how I'm ever going to get that back out of there, but it's in. Well, moment of truth, here we go. Well, I don't smell anything, that's a good start. So I imaged the old ReactOS install onto it, but we can reinstall if we have to. I'm not sure if it's going to work since the medium is nearly completely different. Fine. Okay, what do we want the date to be this time? Just in case we had like an issue before, I'm going to set it to, I don't know, 12/23/1941. No, not 19. You don't like... No! Why are you testing all of the RAM? I should just take the RAM out of it. That would make it much faster. Whoa! Guys, it's working! Dang! Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Nice! Okay. Welcome to 0.4.14 release candidate 11. Again. Oh man, look at that. It's so good. I am, like, actually probably too happy at this point. Oh man, okay. The fact we got this far is surprising. So, I'm gonna hope that thumb drive works. Where did I put it? Oh my goodness, this touchpad. Oh man. I got so used to the glass touchpad on my MacBook Pro, it's, oh man. It's so bad. It's so bad. Oh my goodness, they're bombing. No, no. I would say I have a life to live, but we both know that's not the case. Is there, like, actually nothing? Did I delete all the partitions on this by accident? That would be funny. Dang it. Okay, let's try this again. I didn't burn another disk. Look at that. Because I had to, in order for it to work. I remember the last time we did this, so I don't have any more CDs. There is another moment of truth. Will this actually work at all? Oh, we got this far. Okay, so it was the SD card. Yeah, it didn't get this far on the other one. Alright then, well that makes a ton of sense, doesn't it? Alright, well, we haven't, the drivers aren't installed yet, so let's not start partying quite yet. In fact, do you like partying? Okay. If you like partying, we have a Discord server just for you in the link in the description below. Man, I need to get better at that. That's not going to end the video. Select this, and let's see how this works. Oh my goodness, it actually worked. It worked. Guys, it worked. Okay, alright. Turn down the excitement just a little bit. Okay, graphics drivers are installed. Now we just gotta hope it actually works when we reboot the computer. This is the furthest we've gotten on 0.4.14 release candidate 117. So hopefully, it'll boot with full graphics acceleration. Let's do this. The suspense is killing me. No, there's nothing in the drive. Okay, hey, ReactOS. Is it gonna work? It's gonna work. Holy it works, guys, look. Okay, it still runs like garbage, but we've got drivers now. Okay, wait, just to make sure, where's display? I can't read. ATi Mobility Radeon 9000 running at 1024 by 768. This is truly a day that will sink down in history. I can't believe it. We did it. It was the stupid SD card the whole time. Nice. So now that we have sufficiently decked the halls, let's see about some sound drivers. Oh, wait, I should probably put this back. Now, the reason I want to do sound next is because we had issues with it last time, and by issues, I mean it, didn't work. So let's see if this time it's any better. So it's gotta go into D, and they're all here. You know, why don't I just transfer all of them off of here? I think this would work a little bit better. Oh my goodness, look at that animation. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now we can just close this. Not to deal with this stupid CD anymore. If you'll let me eject it. Let me do this the hard way. Whoa! What? Alright, well, I gotta remember not to do that again. Alright then. I can just add this to my collection and wonder what's on here in 5 years. Assuming I live that long. What are they driving? A spaceship? I wonder if the chipset driver maybe comes with audio drivers. I'm not totally sure. I swear I put audio drivers on there, but I might not have. Oh boy! Oh, whoa, wait, what? Running on a supported operating system. Well, I guess that might do it. Alright then. So, we don't need chipset drivers. I'm going to go get some sound drivers. I'll be back. So on this thumb drive, we have drivers for the sound card, which is weird. SoundMAX, the thing. Local disk C, drivers, Win, audio. Hey, look at that. Nice. So let's see if this works. So now I just need to restart, and hopefully it should take effect. Oh my goodness. Wow, nice. So now we have startup sounds. Boy, is it glitchy. Well, look at that. Every time I press the button, the hard drive light lights up. Interesting. So I skipped the driver installation part because it was like really boring. So now with that out of the way, we can run some applications. Finally. Now of course, to start things off right, let's go with our old favorite benchmark, Half-Life Blue Shift, which should run fine on here, hopefully. I'm not sure how this is going to work. I'm not sure if the last time I did this that I actually ran any 3D applications, but since we have graphics drivers, it should work. I know that the ReactOS team actually got Crisis working, which I do actually have a copy of, but that's not running on here. So if they can have Crisis work, then we should be able to run this. This does not instill confidence. Oh, wait. Top one. I think I got it. The installer hasn't crashed yet. That already puts it quite above all of the other installers we've tried so far. So I'm feeling good about this. I hope this SD card lasts long enough. You still need the disk and the drive, but when it does that, the whole display goes to like 8 hertz. She was talking about the installation of having finished. It's right here. No disk insert. Bruh, it's right here. I guess we can try it from here? Maybe? Oh no. Is it that one? What do you mean no disk insert? I mean, I guess we can't hurt it. Assuming we can even get past the installer. What? What? That's so cursed. This shouldn't be possible. Yep, alright, I'm rebooting this thing before we summon something. Okay, yeah, that's still not working. You know, I somewhat feel like it would be a crime if we didn't at least try this. Hopefully the results are a little bit better. Ba-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Oh my goodness, it's Master Chef. Whoa, whoa. Hey, here we go. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh wait, that's winlogin.exe. Okay, so we're good there. Or not. Yeah, we're not good there. Well, it does appear it actually copied the files despite having crashed when it was installing. So let's give this a try, shall we? Error user mapped What do you mean? User mapped section of... Oh my goodness. Bruh, it's been like this for like half an hour. I'm just going to force stop it since all it's doing is creating icons anyway. Bruh. I mean, it would be a darn shame if we didn't at least get some Windows application to run on here. Other than the drivers, of course. Hey, I know, let's run DDLC! Actually, to hell with that idea, I have a better one. This. Wait, actually I was saving this for a different project. Yeah, if you want to see this, there's a button for that. But I do have this. Visual Studio 6.0 Enterprise Edition. So, yeah, let's give this a try, shall we? So we have an application that doesn't have any 3D. And also is just a normal Microsoft application from the Windows 98 era, I think? Designed for Microsoft Windows NT or 98. So we should be good in that case because all we need is like XP compatible. So let's hope this works. Alright, let's do this. Oh, hey, here we go. Leroy Jack. Oh my goodness, look at that logo. They look like gummy candies. I want to eat that. Man, add that to the list of things I want in my mouth. I hate this part. When I have a theme, I stick to it. Ew, Java? I wonder if malware bytes will work on this thing. Does that mean it didn't work? Bruh. Hey, that did actually work though. That's impressive. The application called a reboot. Congratulations, something actually worked. Boots faster that way, okay? If this means that I have to start the install all over again. Oh my god. Are you serious? What the fuck? Oh, wait, what? Did I get this last time? Okay, so we're, doing products, I guess, yes. Visual Studio individual, I want all of the tools, thank you. I'm doing the developing for many different things. I wanted to run on all of the different things. I have no idea what any of this does, but I'm installing it anyway. Oh, that's gonna be a problem, isn't it? Oh dear. Well, I do believe that is the outcome we all expected. Crap. So I do believe we should call it here. Otherwise this video is gonna come out like mid-January. Anywho, as you probably know from the title, we have officially reached and surpassed 420 subscribers, which I really just don't have any words for that. Other than thank you all so much. And in celebration, I would like to announce the very first of hopefully more than one WGE Q&A. where, just as it sounds, you can send me any question you want. Though for obvious reasons, I reserve the right to not answer the really, really excessive ones, so just please use common sense. So you can send those questions by leaving a comment with hashtag WGEQNA, or by sending an email to fbiowo@outlook.com. Though if you decide to use email, be sure to include what you want me to call you, because I'm not sure everyone would want me to use their name line. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and good night. Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Why, hello. Camera. Common problem with this motherboard is that the 12 pin and 4 pin decide to come out. It's more common than you'd think. Well, my computer appears to be working on an update so big I'm gonna come in and it's like Windows 11 or something. Like I said, if there's any explosions I want to be seen on video. Then I'm gonna come over here and get my Swivet. Appears to be alive.
You know, I hate buying things for the color, but can you really blame me? Look at this thing! You know what? It's been a very, very long time since the last time I've, sort of picked up a camera and just started recording with it. Oh goodness, the battery's gonna die. You know, I think I see why I was making this kind of video. This is just such a weird occurrence and such a weird configuration of computer. But again, I've had this idea ever since I rebooted in 2020. So, yeah. I want to make sure I get that right, which I'm just about there, just about ready to do this.
See, this right here is the Midwest. It's all rainy and tornado. It's quite nice, actually.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of Dr. Snoop's Computer Show. And today,
you know, without the working lights, this place has some real mad scientist vibes. Okay, I'm going to bed. This isn't enough. You know, when I start watching this, it's bedtime.
Did you hear something?